All hands on deck and preps for a successful Traslacion Thursday next week from the Carino Grandstand to its home in Quiapo Church. And as Rod Lagusad reports, a ban on firearms and alcohol is set to take effect next as part of security preparations.
In less than a week, the annual Traslacion will be held. And just like the previous years, all hands on deck on its preparation. According to Manila Mayor Hani Lacuna, she expects at least 6 million people to attend. This year, for the first time ever, the Feast of the Jesus Nazareno will be a national feast, with every parish across the country participating simultaneously in the festivity.
Bagamat ito'y sa laganap, inaasahan din pa rin naman natin syempre, iba pa rin para sa mga deboto magpunta sa Quiapo. Kaya bagamat laganap na at natutuwa tayo dahil yung hindi makapunta sa Quiapo, magkakaroon sila ng local celebration, pero naghahanda pa rin tayo sa pagdagsa, pagpunta ng mga deboto.
The Quiapo Church urges devotees to keep the Feast of the Jesus Nazareno holy, safe and organized. The route of the Traslacion this year remains the same as it was in 2020. According to Quiapo Church, waiting on bridges along the route will be prohibited until the Traslacion has passed. The roads in the route and adjacent areas will open after the Traslacion completes its passage and the area has been cleared. This year, the Andas or Courage is modified to prevent devotees from stepping onto and climbing its front portion. A glass panel has been added to the upper part of the images enclosure, allowing light to enter and ensuring it remains visible to the public. Additionally, an exhaust fan and ventilation system have been installed to prevent moisture on the glass enclosure, just like last year. The church reminds devotees that in Pahalik ritual at Carino Grandstand to refrain from kissing the image and keep themselves sanitized at all times.
Patuloy pa rin po sana na ipatutupad natin yung hand washing, sanitizing, at kung maaari po, kung hindi naman sa gabal, ay ang paggamit po ng face mask. Yun pa rin naman po ang pinapatupad natin.
Overall, around 14,000 security personnel will be deployed for the event, including police and personnel from the Armed Forces of the Philippines. The Manila Police District will also impose a gun ban from January 8, Wednesday, until January 11.
Week-long activity naman po ito. Marami na po kasing activities, lalo na sa may Quiapo area. Tuloy-tuloy po, pero meron po kaming tinatawag dyan na skeletal deployment. But come January 8 in the evening, full deployment na po kami, not only dito po sa Quiapo, hindi lang po sa Carino Grandstand, but also din po sa ruta.
In today's first Friday Mass of the New Year, over 111,000 attendees were recorded as of 6 p.m. Despite the heat and the crowd, Annie, a devotee, shared how she received many blessings from her prayers.
Sa akin, papasalamat kay Moong Nazareno sa lahat ng tulong na binibigay niya sa akin at blessing para sa buong pamilya ko. Kaya buong ako nagpapasalamat sa kanya, sa Panginoon at kay Mama Mary at kay Moong Nazareno.
Meanwhile, at 9 p.m. on January 8, road closures will begin. From January 8 to January 10, the Manila LGU will enforce a liquor ban in the vicinity of Quiapo. Among the items prohibited during the Traslacion are medium to life-size replicas of Jesus Nazareno, firearms, bladed weapons, selfie sticks, and large bags. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.